Hello guys, today we are going to be playing Roblox Bad Boys with my friend. And don't make fun of him as he's very bad because he wasn't trained by the Aura King, which is me. Because I'm the best at aura farming and I have infinite aura, nobody can ever be my aura. Okay, anyways, he invited me a party, so I'm gonna accept it. I have no idea what game mode we're playing he's choosing. Lucky block doubles, okay. At least we got lucky blocks. Hello, I am underneath the water. Can you please help me? Okay, I've got this. Chat. This is how you should win a game of Roblox Bed Wars. I'm going to show you the proper tutorial. Unless there's a hacker in our lobby, then I will report them. And if you never knew this, White Base is my lucky team. Okay. OW, lucky block. From Yellow Base is the next target. I've got this. And by the way, if you don't have plus 10,000 Bed Wars coins, you're a noob. Okay, I'm joking. You don't need Bed Wars coins to be a pro. Anyways, I have 30,000 of those saved up for I don't know. Oh man, I died. They killed me, I killed them. Roar! Face the fury of me. Actually, Emer's gonna break a bed. Never mind. Oh man. I died. Again. And I still have your kids. Wow. Come here. Fall down. Oh, he fell? He fell. Hooray! Yeah. Okay, I am prepared for war. Come here. Okay, I died again. I need my stone sword. How much kills does my friend have? 3. I have 1. How do I have 1? Oh yeah. Come here. On the bridge. I'm better at fighting on bridges. I don't want to die so easily. Okay, never mind. Looks like we're having it. Hooray! I can buy. What is it now? Give me this. Give me this. Give me this. What is bro doing? Oh my gosh. Boss. Yes. I killed them. Oh god. Come here, buddy. PvP mode on. Let's go. Why? I hate this, bro. Why is this lucky block error of being so annoying? Iron armor. I see how you guys are super smart. And I died again. Uzi kid is so annoying. I need iron armor. Let's go. I got this. Oh man. Yeah, we're cooked. Bro, just come and fight. Don't be so scared. Bro, what? And that's how you lose a professional game of Bed Wars. Okay, that's spectated. Bro, seriously, Enderpearl? How did he actually Enderpearl that? He was second. He was like millimeters away from going to the void. Oh, he's cooked. People have iron armor. Oh, TNT. He might be cooked. Oh, he's coming. He's cooked, I think. Oh, he's TPing. That's smart. Oh, he was instantly. Okay. This guy has to win, or else I am going to sue him for wasting my time. No, I'm joking. Bro, if he got flanked off by that Diamond Guardian, I'm leaving, bro. I'm blocking this guy. What is he doing? Open the lucky block and break that thing. Yes, good boy. Do it like a good boy. Can I put it in here? No, man. Okay, chat. Okay, what kit should I use next? I'm thinking the loading. Barbarian kit again. How much kills does he have? He has 6. I had 4. Okay. He has diamond armor? Huh? Where did bro get diamond armor from? There's no way he wins. There's no way. Why would bro race to Santa thing? Oh, he's going. Wow, he just barely escaped. He's lucky it did 1 damage. What is that? Bro, they built a new sky base. Oh, he's cooked. He's so dead. Yeah, he's dead. Okay, please put on the next game. Next game. Bro, what is this? New fortress acquired. Like, holy. Is he still in the party even? Bro left. He left. Bro got so much rage baited. This man is so trolled. He actually rage baited. Okay, next game. Oh, new map. I think. Join the duck walk. Yeah, best walk. Bugger buck. Who is this? Yeah, at least he heals me. Bam. Okay, look like we're going there. Why does he look like that? Her avatar is ugly. Imagine she survived that. Oh man. Biohazard, seriously? I died by a biohazard. Nah, that's crazy. Finally, he died. Oh, still got played. Buddy got played. Buddy's getting played. Oh, never mind. That's close. Buddy was getting played like crazy. Give me my diamonds. Oh, let's go. Okay, I'm gonna get when I'm there. And he's gonna be absolute. Oh, he has an iron sword. I might be cooked. I might be cooked actually. Die, please. Oh man. Bro, how did he have an iron armor and iron sword? Did my team leave? No. Obsidian, bro? Come on. The plate. Oh! Bro was inches away from dying. Yes, kill him. Did he kill each other? No, he died. Oh, I can come back. I can come back and kill. I can come back. Break the bed, break the bed, break the bed. Yes! Okay, TP back to base. Boom. I'm surprised how I don't have my iron sword. Oh, I still don't even have my stone.
Okay. Okay. Where's everybody at mid? Why is nobody at mid? I got a baguette. Anybody want to go? I'm gonna slap them in the face with my baguette. It does infinite amount of damage. So OP, bro. Nobody can beat the baguette. My swap is overpowered too. Let's swap this guy into the void. Or I'm just gonna fall in the void. Mostly I'm gonna fall. How did I miss that? Oh, bro got flung. Please just let me live. I'm a good boy, I promise. Okay. Teammate is here. So everything is fine. Come here. Gloop him. I have one gloop. Let me gloop. Get glooped. Yes. Don't underneath me. Okay, yes. My teammate didn't steal the kill. Is bro glitched or am I glitching? I'm glitching. Oh god. What just happened? Holy lag. Okay. Let's go, bro. You wanna go? Yeah, I'm cooked. Take my 2 diamonds. Okay, never mind. I have a chance of survival, which may never happen ever again. Yeah, never mind. I don't have a chance at all. I'm just getting cooked and cooked and cooked and cooked and cooked. That's all I'm getting. Oh my god. Just let me live. Just let me live. Just let me live. Let's go. How is this man not falling off the bridge? Bro is indestructible. Come on. Come on. Come on. What can I buy? Let's buy this. Oh, I was gonna buy a bow and arrow, but I don't have enough. Oh, zipline. Oh god, place this. 2 of those. Okay, never mind. I just blasted one away. No, I wasted the name. Don't. Yes, get out. Get here. Get here, actually. Get here. Yes. Come get him. Yeah, boy. Now you wanna go? Now you wanna go? Oh, he might be coming. Oh god, he's coming back. I need a TP. What? Why did he not TP? Oh no, my bed's gone. Get here. Come here, buddy. Come here. Oh, bro's getting womboed. Oh, the wombo isn't good enough. Oh, come on, man. Come on. Okay. Let's play a couple of matches of Skywars. Let's play maybe 1 or 2 matches of Skywars. Alright. Maybe 1 match of Skywars if I win. 2 if I lose. Both. Okay. I'm thinking about what kit I should buy. I want a new kit. There's no new kits being added. Badboy's gotta add some more kits. Every update a new kit. Maybe at least every month. Nah, this map, bro. Seriously. My teammate might disconnect. Hopefully he doesn't. Bro, okay, I knew it. Okay, never mind. He didn't somehow. Boy, here's my game phone glitching. Oh, never mind. I unglitched the glitch. Come on, build. Yes, dead. Come on. Yes! I comboed, bro. Hey, yo, chill! Nah, bro. Okay, next match. Hopefully you could get to mid before anybody else. And TP a good map. Last game of the day. Look. Honestly, I just want the blocks now. Here's blocks. Oh, iron chest plate. I'll be taking that also. Oh, come here, buddy. Give me this. Give me something good, bro. Like, why is there nothing good in these chests? Oh, they're all looted except for this one. What's in here? Oh my god, bro. Chill. I'm gonna fireball you. Chill. Why is everybody going for you? Me. Okay, anyway, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace out.